Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with the fifth chapter of class 7, working with layer. In this chapter, I have already discussed all the important topics along with the question answer. Today, going to revise of this chapter. So, first, recapping of this chapter is layer are like the multiple transparent sheet. लेयर क्या है? लेयर एक बहुत सारे ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट्स का एक बंच है जो एक के ऊपर एक रखा हुआ है, दैट कैन होल्ड द ऑब्जेक्ट, और जो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अपने अंदर होल्ड करके रखता है, और स्टैक्ड ऑन द टॉप ईच अदर, एक के ऊपर एक करके रखा हुआ होता है. एन एक्टिव लेयर इज ए हाईलाइटेड, एक्टिव लेयर हाईलाइट होता है इन द टाइमलाइन के अंदर, और इंडिकेट करता रहता है एक की फ्रेम नेविगेशन कंट्रोलर आइकॉन के द्वारा. तीसरी बात यह है कि द ऑर्डर ऑफ द लेयर ऑन द टाइमलाइन, यह निर्धारित करता है कि ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट अपियरिंग ऑन द स्टेज, और भी कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो उसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा, जो भी और भी ऑब्जेक्ट है वो कैसे अपियर होगा. एंड इन एनिमेट मास्किंग is a way to selectivity, hide and display the contents on a layer. मास्किंग एक ऐसा साधन है, एक रास्ता है जिसके द्वारा हम ये किसी भी जो कोई सेलेक्ट किया हुआ चीज है, या तो उसको हाइड कर सकते हैं, या कुछ भी कंटेंट्स है उसको लेयर पे हम डिस्प्ले कराएंगे या नहीं कराएंगे, ये मास्किंग के द्वारा हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद द ओनियन स्किन फीचर्स अलाउ यू टू सी द फेंट घोस्ट इमेज ऑफ द प्रीवियस फ्रेम. फिर in animate there are the two type of the onion skin and onion skin outlines. These are the recapping of this chapter 5. Now objective based question. Layer are the like multiple dash sheets that can hold object on stacked on top of each other. Answer is transparent. Second, the active layer in the timeline is indicated with the keyframe navigation controller icons. And when you take an object out of library, the object is referred to as an dash of symbol. Answer is instance. To display the grid of on the stage, select the view grid and show grid. Fifth, the mask is an object that acts and as a hole through which we see the contents of layer or layers beneath it. Now true false. An animate only one layer can be activated at times. True. You can convert an object to symbol using the F8 key. True. The speed of animation can be adjusted in the work area. True. Masking hide the other parts and show only those parts of the image that are appearing underneath an object on which we are applying masking effect. True. An animation cannot be repeated more than once. This is the false. Now MCQ questions. Which tools allow you to see a faint ghost image of previous frame? Answer is onion skin. Which option is used to repeat the animation? एनिमेशन को रिपीट करने के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन है? कंट्रोल प्लस लूप प्लेबैक. एंड विच की कॉम्बिनेशन कैन ग्रुप द ऑब्जेक्ट इन एनिमेट? आंसर इज कंट्रोल प्लस जी. एंड विच की वी प्रेस टू इंसर्ट ए की फ्रेम? आंसर इज F6. दीज आर द fill in the blanks, true false and MCQ questions. Now question number first, what do you understand the term layer? Layer are the like the transparent sheet that can hold object and are stacked on top of each other. Layer are the useful while developing a big animation movie. Layers allow us to organize the artwork, animation and other elements of our movie. Second, what do you understand by the hiding and showing a layer? How will you hide the layer? Answer, we can hide the layer to view the contents on the other layers. While hiding are the layers, we have the options either to hide or all the layer in our document at once or hide the layer individually. But in animate masking hide the other parts and show the only those parts of object and of an image that appear underneath the object on which we are applying the masking effect. To hide a layer, click on the eyes icon above the layers. A white cross symbol appears in the eye column. We will find that all the contents disappears from stage. These are the answer of the question second. Now question 3. Write two method to renaming a layer. Two method of renaming a layer. First method number first, select the layer which we want to rename. Second, double click on the layer's name and type the new name. Method 2, right click on the layer's name, select the properties option from the context menu or choose modify timeline layers properties from menus. The layers properties display box appears. Type the new name in the name text box and click OK. These are the methods of to renaming a layer, method number 1 and method number 2. Now, how do you know about the masking in Animate? In Animate, masking is a way to selectivity hides and display the contents on a layer's mask. Layer contained a mask item that can be of field shape, a typed object or instance of graphics, symbol or movie clip on the layers. Masking is often used in Animate to create a spotlight effect that would display the text on or object through a hole. These are the question answer along with the objective of the class chapter 5th. Next day I will continue with the chapter 6. Thank you. Have a nice day.